Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, my name is Mark Anthony Verzosa. I'm a small-time YouTuber from the Philippines. I'm residing right now in the province of Leyte. So this afternoon, guys, I'll be conducting a tutorial on how you can, or let's say you're having problems or issues wherein your uh, computer that has, Windows 10 is running very, very slow. It's really frustrating, guys, especially if you're doing something and your computer is really running slow. I have a good news, guys. There is a there is a fix that can resolve that slowness issue that you and me is experiencing right now. So if you want to know more about this solution, okay, make sure to continue or make sure to watch this full video or continue watching this video. By the way, if you're new in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest uploads. All right, so let's start the tutorial. So again, guys, let me reiterate. This tutorial applies to Windows 10. So if you are Windows 10 above, you might wanna check it out or do some research if this fix or solution is also applicable to Windows 10 above. All right, so let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you will do, guys, is basically what we're gonna do, guys, is we're just gonna delete all the unnecessary or temporary files in your computer. All right. So to get started, click the start button, and then click this gear icon, the settings, and then you click system, and then you click storage. All right, and then you wait for it. So the one that we're gonna remove are the temporary files. So just wait for it. It may take a minute or two, depending on how many temporary files are there in your computer. And as a thank you, guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Okay, there you go. Once it's done scanning, just click temporary files. Okay, click on it and wait for it. All right, there you go. Now, right here, we're going to click everything here: download, deliver, optimize, everything here. Okay, just put a click on it, and then after that, you click remove files. Okay, wait for it to load. It may take a few seconds, depending on how fast your computer is. All right, there you go. Now, once done, click close, and then you click refresh. Okay, you do some refresh. And then you can try to open, your gaming software or maybe open Google Chrome to see how fast your internet and your computer will definitely run smooth compared before. All right, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.